Hello and welcome to GamiCon. This is a short tutorial on how to use the BLUErabbit app for our event. The very first thing to do is to log in with your Twitter account. If you don't have one, you can create one on the next screen. All you have to do here is put your username and your password. Once you've allowed the permissions, you're going to be redirected to the welcome page, so please complete your profile. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself in a home screen. In here, you will see a taskbar at the bottom. The first button on the taskbar is the homepage button. Pretty self-explanatory, but at the same time, it resets the player. So if you're missing any points, make sure you come back to the homepage so that the system will recalculate everything for you. The second button is the journey button, and this will show you all the activities and things to do in BLUErabbit. The next button is the schedule button. This button will open up the schedule for the event and you can see some of the details of every activity. The third button is the item shop. Here's where you will be able to redeem your points for different rewards. And the last button is the little rabbit button that will open the Cooper menu. The Cooper menu is where all the navigation is, so whenever you panic and you don't know where you are, click on that button and you will be able to go back to wherever you want in the whole app. Now let's start our journey. The very first thing you want to do is click on the journey button at the home screen, and it will scroll down to where all the activities for the event are. You will be able to see some of them in blue, some of them in brown, and the ones in blue are quests, the ones in brown are challenges. When you click on one and flip the card, you will be able to see a blue button that says that you can do it now. If you see them in purple or with a purple lock on top of them, you will still need to level up before you can attempt any of them. Now, once you click on do it now, you will be faced to it and you can read the instructions say that this demo quest requires 5 words and 1 image to do it. All you have to do is scroll down and click submit. Here, you can see that you got your experience points, you got your money, and it says that you found a clue. So when you scroll down, you can see more information, and this way you can attempt additional challenges. Now you've unlocked the next level, and now we can attempt the second challenge. Here you can see that you have to get 2 correct answers, you got 3 chances and 60 seconds. Now we're going to answer one wrong so that you can see what's going to happen. So the next time you try it, it's going to cost you a little money. Once we get our challenge conquered, we can get our experience points and we can go back to the home page to see our points reflected in our account. Now that I'm level 3, I level up, I've got a beautiful animation, and let's keep moving. When you go to the item shop and flip one of the item cards, you will see the upper right corner with a number, and that's the required level for you to earn. Also, on the bottom left, you can see how much coins it requires you to pay for it. If you fulfill both requirements, then you can simply click the buy it button, and you can either shop again or go check your backpack where your items are stored. Here you can see your transactions, and by flipping the card, you can use the item so that you can redeem it directly at the redeeming table. Another part of your journey is to follow the red cards. Flipping them will reveal the rules for the tweet you must send to earn the points. Click on Read More to see the rules, or just tweet now to be redirected to Twitter. Once there, make your mark and send the tweet. You can see that the Twitter handle and the hashtags are already there. Once you've sent it, go back to BLUErabbit and see that you've completed that red card and were awarded the corresponding points. You will also find some magic codes throughout the days of the event. When you do so, just click on the rabbit button, then magic code, and type it down. If you wrote it correctly, click send, and you should get some additional points. Close that window, and then you should be able to go back to your homepage and see them reflected in your account. When you find a QR code, scan it with your cell phone, and this will lead you to this page. Once you got it, you might just want to go back to the homepage and check out the points that you earned. You might as well also level up. So there you have it, a very easy way to use BLUErabbit throughout our event. We hope you enjoy it and have lots of fun.